Okay, this is problem number 6 from page 536 from the homework from 429, which was Wednesday. Number 6, if you read the problem, carbonated beverages contain carbonic acid. If you skip down through, it says what changes in conditions would cause the forward reaction to be favored. So this is, again, a Le Chatelier problem. They're asking us to predict or determine how factors will affect the equilibrium here. So this is talking about shifts in equilibrium. Remember, in equilibrium reactions we have a forward process and a reverse process, and changing conditions can make the reaction happen more forward, or it can make it happen more in the reverse direction. So our chemical equation here is H2CO3 AQ, right? It's dissolved in water. The double-headed arrows here mean that it's an equilibrium process where water liquid is formed and CO2 gas is formed. Okay, and they ask us what conditions will cause the forward. So we're trying to push this reaction in the forward direction. Okay, and so again, the factors that we can consider are pressure, temperature, and concentration. And we're talking about concentration of reactants and concentration of products. Okay, and so if we consider pressure, we have to identify whether there are any gases in the reaction. And there is gas, but only on the product side. So we have 1 mole of gas on the product side and 0 moles of gas on the reactants side. And so we said increasing pressure pushes the reaction in the direction of less gas. Okay, so increasing pressure would push the reaction to the left in this case. So we would not want to increase pressure. If anything, we would want to decrease pressure. Okay, and that would allow the reaction to go to the right. So decreasing pressure would help. Temperature, they don't tell us whether the reaction is endo or exothermic. They don't tell us anything about the energy involved in the reaction. And so therefore we can't determine how temperature would affect the reaction. Now, concentration of reactants and products, in general, if I want to make the reaction go forward, I want to increase the concentrations of reactants and I want to decrease the concentrations of products. And so that would be what would, those factors there would push the reaction forward. Decreasing pressure and also increasing the concentration of the carbonic acid and decreasing the concentration of water and carbon dioxide. Okay, so that would be your answer to number 6.